Hello YouTube. I've had this question come up several times. How do I show or how do I bench test the Honda Civic hybrid DC converter for 2006 all the way to 2011? This one is 2006 2008, but it's the same process for the 2009 2011. I'm gonna show you real quick how to get it all hooked up and running. Okay, so I already have it hooked up. I haven't turned on the high voltage power yet. This normally comes from your IMA battery pack of 158 volts nominal voltage. This is going to be your negative, this is going to be your positive. And always be cautious when dealing with high voltage. It's very dangerous. I don't have any power on yet, so I'm able to turn it or touch it if I need to. On this side, you'll have your 12 volt battery voltage. This goes to your battery, but you should also have voltage here from your 12 volt battery supply. I'm using a little UPS 12 volt battery here. The ground gets connected to the chassis of the case, and then where the little plug goes, I have a little pigtail that I cut out from an old wiring harness. The pin that you have to worry about is the one with the orange wire or reddish wire. It's actually labeled as pin number 2 in the wiring diagram. That is the one you will apply 12 volts, simulating that you are turning the ignition on. With that said, I have a charged up IMA battery pack where I get the voltage from. This one's always positive, and then I get the negative here. Once you turn on the breaker, this turns into a negative, since this is your negative contactor relay. So let's turn on the breaker here, and that should give us 170 volts or something to the DC converter right here. Okay, as you can see in the multimeter, this is the current battery voltage, so the converter is not working. But as soon as I apply 12 volts to the little orange wire, the DC converter will kick on and start charging. Here we go. Going to the 12 volt side of the house. Take a look at the multimeter. There you go. As you can see, it's charging. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Thank you.